Triangle. Three-sided ruler which typically has two equal sides meeting at a 90-degree angles and to a third side at 45 and 30. Compass. It is an inverted V-shaped instrument that is used in drawing arcs and circles. Divider. This is used when transferring measurement, dividing lines and arcs into the described number of equal parts. Protractor. It is a semicircular instrument divided into 180 equal parts, each of which is called a degree.
Drawing Lightbox. A lightbox is a remarkable, useful tool for any artist, designer, and creative professional looking to make the most out of their drawings. Lightboxes are tablet-shaped devices. Erasure shield. This tool is made up of metal with irregular holes. It is a useful tool to protect the wrist of the drawing when clearing up smudge, unnecessary pencil lines, and other erasures. Graphic tablet. A graphic tablet, also known as a digitizer, drawing tablet, drawing pad, digital drawing tablet, pen tablet, or digital artboard, is a computer input device that enables a user to hand draw images, animations, and graphics with a special pen like stylus, similar to the way a person draws image with a pencil and paper. Pencil sharpener. Pencil should be sharpened whenever they show sign of dullness. Various types and designs are available in the store for use.
Eraser. It is used to remove unwanted lines or sketches in a drawing. Drawing pencil. It is used to project lines or sketch drawings. There are three types of drawing pencils: hard pencils, medium pencils, and soft pencils. Hard pencils are used where extreme accuracy is required, especially working on graphs, diagrams, and charts. Medium pencils are used for general purpose work and drawing. And lastly, soft pencils. Soft pencils are too soft to be used in mechanical drafting. Template. The template has different shapes, holes, and design. The shape serves as a pattern in projecting accurate drawing of circles and other shapes. French curve. It is consists of templates which are excellent tools for drawing irregular curved lines that are not part of a circle or ellipse.
Drafting tape. Drafting tape is used to fasten the paper on the drawing board. Drawing board. Drawing board is made of dry wood with a smooth surface and corners at right angles. Digital illustration software. Digital illustration software are computer application software such as Paint, Toolsai, Medibank Paint. Drawing paper. Drawing paper has hard and soft surface. Drawing papers are highly recommended to be used. This type does not grow easily when pressure is applied to the pencil. Oslo paper is commonly used but bond paper is also recommended.